This is my business promotional video. You all know that I'm a trainer. I teach digital marketing and communication skills. My training institute or training company's name is Career 9, that starts with KAREER numerical 9. Career9.com is my company's website. Now, in my company, we teach digital marketing to freshers and to even career gap people also. Career gap means 1 year career gap, 2 years career gap, even 10 years career gap candidates also come to our training institute. They learn digital marketing and I help them in job placements within Hyderabad. So this is my specialization. When to all my students, I make sure they are getting placed in Hyderabad only. Why I am creating this video? If you know someone who is struggling for getting a job, if you know someone who is in complete confusion, which career to choose, which career to take and how to land into a job. If you know someone, send them to me or ask them to contact me. I will teach them digital marketing and I will make sure they are getting placed in some company, small company, startup company in Hyderabad only. Why digital marketing? Why not any IT course? Digital marketing is also a very booming or in demand career, I would say. Every company, from multinational companies also to startup companies also, most of these companies, they hire digital marketing for promoting their products and services. Every company has to grow, right? So for growth, every company, every businesses definitely do online marketing or digital marketing. When there is huge demand for digital marketing by these companies, definitely there will be a requirement of the expert or the people who are already trained in digital marketing, right? So that is where I come into picture, my company coming to picture. My specialization, again, I can teach digital marketing to even career gap candidates, fresher candidates, MBA graduates, anybody. After training, it is a 2.5 months training program. After training, I will make sure they are getting placed as a digital marketing in Hyderabad. How much salary they can expect? They can expect from approximately 15,000 rupees per month. I can guarantee you not less than 15,000 rupees per month, but more than that also. Many of my students have gotten 25,000 rupees per month salary also, 18,000 rupees per month salary also, 16,000 per month salary also. So that is the reason that there is a cut mark. I promise to my student that not less than 15,000, more than 15,000 salary only my students will get when they get placed with my references in Hyderabad. So who can do this digital marketing course? Anybody. I mean to say, you only need a graduation, BSc, BCom, BA, distance graduation, BTech, MBA, anybody, any graduate can learn digital marketing and they can start their career. What about undergraduates people? Yes, undergraduates people can also learn digital marketing, but their salary will be less because companies, they give good package, good salary, 15,000, 20,000 package to a graduate or postgraduate. If an undergraduate is applying for job, if the undergraduate is good skilled, he is expert in digital marketing, because he or she does not have a graduation certificate, the salary offered by these companies will be less to the undergraduates. I can also place undergraduates also, but only thing is the salary will be much lesser when compared to a graduate candidate. Now, if you want to contact me, how can you contact? Go to our website career9.com, www.career9.com, and there is a phone number mentioned in the website. Call that phone number. Our team will explain you everything about my digital marketing training program. We have 3 different type of digital marketing training. First one is a recorded videos training part. Recorded videos means my classroom training I have recorded, uploaded that on our mobile app. You can pay the fees for the recorded videos and you can start watching the videos and you can learn the digital marketing course. This is first type. Second type of course is offline training, classroom training. So you have to come to our office every day. Our office is located in Karkhana, Secunderabad. So you have to come to our office every day, Monday to Saturday. The classes will be from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. 1.5 hours every day. So you can do the classroom training. Classroom training is the second type of training we are having. The third type of training is online live training, same 10 o'clock to 11:30 only. Online live training, what happens is live you will be seeing the trainer, the board, explanation, everything. All the training will be seen, or you can watch the training live using Zoom, Google Meet, these kind of applications. So these are the 3 trainings we are hosting right now. What is the fees of these training? You can call to the number mentioned on our website career9.com, and our team will explain you about the fees structure also. Now if you know someone who is struggling for career, who has 3 years career gap, 5 years career gap, do not know what to do, which career to go, do not want to use fake experience, proxy, let us put all those things aside. If anybody, any career gap candidate is coming to me, I will place them as a fresher only. That is the reason the salary companies will offer is for a fresher candidate. So we are a genuine company. We only place fresher candidates only. So if you have someone, or if you want to apply, learn digital marketing and get placed in Hyderabad, contact us. And my phone number is on the career9.com website. If you have any questions on digital marketing career, you can definitely put down your question in the comment section of this video. And do not forget to like this video. My name is Sushmita and you are watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. Namaste.